Bonjour everyone! Today I am speaking French because this African meal that I am going to create and share with you is from no other than the French African country of Côte d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast. And you guessed it, today we will be making Attieke. And this brand is my favorite. Go ahead, slice up your plantain. Most of the plantains they sell in store are not ripe enough. I had to put this in a cabinet within our house so that it can get ripe. It sat there for 4 days. The plantains they bring from wherever they bring it from isn't ripe enough, and I prefer it the traditional way, it to be soft like banana. That's it. Cut your plantain in any shape that you wish to. On medium to high heat, I'm simply using about 2.5 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Feel free to fry the plantain as you want. So I did not forget, I have here half onion in my reusable wrap. Go ahead and put your onion aside. And for Attieke, because this is African food, it is spicy. I have shown you guys how to make pepper sauce. And this is my pepper sauce that was frozen. I've been eating it. And this is what I'm going to use. I love this particular method of making Attieke because it is easy and I can just assemble and eat. And this recipe, I am not showing you the traditional way. This recipe is the easy way where you just assemble and repeat. Because this comes frozen, you will need to thaw it out for about 2 days. That is a big portion. This is looking very beautiful. Go ahead and lower your heat down to low slightly so that it doesn't burn up. It's doing that. I like the way it looks, and I love that I didn't have to use a lot of oil. This is the amount of oil that's left. I created homemade seitan using the seafood flavor plant that we call Hijiki. I don't know how to say it quite right. As I was boiling this seitan, the seafood flavor, it was so present and I was just so excited and jumping for joy. To have that traditional seafood essence, this seitan, I'm going to fry it now and then we will give it a try. I think it is good to go. Go ahead and take your onion and slice it into any shape as you want. I'm choosing to slice mine thinly or finely like this because I want the classic look. Once that is all done, this is extra step. I'm choosing to have mine into a ice cold water because I want the onion to be extra crunchy. Some of the oniony smell, I would like to have some of that removed so that the onion smell isn't too strong when I eat it. This step is totally optional. Set this aside and cut your cucumbers. With this particular step, cut the cucumber in any shape or size that you please. There is no wrong way for this particular recipe for you to cut a cucumber. This is the finished result. This was super easy for me. The only thing about this recipe that is different from a traditional attiéké is that we got this frozen. Taste and then come back and let you know how it all pairs together. The next step for your assembly, heat this up into a microwave. I love lots of cucumber. I tend to just go all in with that. This is the finished attiéké. The seafood essence in the seitan definitely came through. Stay tuned for that recipe. This entire Ivorian Attiéké is delicious, and now you have a vegetarian, vegan inspiration. Do go ahead and create this recipe if you enjoy West African cuisine. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe to our channel for more African food the vegetarian way. Au revoir.